Morning students, today we are going to study fourth lesson of our agriculture lesson of geography, and we are going to see the maps. In this lesson we want to only identification, not they will give the places with the dot and what it is, that like that you want to identify the states very clearly. It is given like that, identification only, not labeling like that. It is very clearly given. You can see that one, only identification. What they normally give, that only they will ask. Okay, first one, major areas of rice and wheat, in which states maximum it is producing rice and wheat. That is the first part. Means two things we want to study: rice producing states as well as wheat producing state. Then largest or major producing states of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. So in second lesson, first part it is grain, second part it is the non-grain, but it is some like that we can see. Sugarcane it is eatable, but it is comes in a different way. Tea and coffee it is beverages. Then rubber, cotton, jute it is the commercial textile or the textile crops as well as the industrial crop, like that we can see. So we will count once again which all things we want to study. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then rubber 6, cotton 7 and jute 8. 8 products details we want to study. And when we are reading the textbook, we can see which states are the major producing states, which states are the major producing state, or first number, second number, like that. And if you are taking your textbook, you can note that one. Please take page number 37 of your textbook. In that page it is given the major rice producing states, major rice producing area. In two way it is given, major as well as minor area. So we want to study only major because it is given major areas only. In the for board exam we want to study only major areas, but in textbook it is given major as well as minor areas. So we want to concentrate only major areas. We can see that one, which states it is coming. Okay, we can see from south side it is Kerala, then Tamil Nadu, then Andhra Pradesh, then it is coming Orissa, West Bengal, Bihar and parts of UP as well as Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, like that states it is coming with rice producing. Okay, even Assam we can see. So like that the state's name we want to study. What we want to study? State name. And it is there in the textbook. Again the details it is given in page number 38, first paragraph. Which states are producing maximum rice, like that we can see. First paragraph, the less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan, there also we are making rice. The major producing states are Tamil Nadu and other states. Okay, then next one it is the wheat, and that also it is there in the textbook, page number 39. And the major wheat producing states we can see in written, that is in page number 38, second paragraph, wheat. End of that one we can see wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. And if you are looking to the map, you can see which states are where it is, like that, in a little bit part of Jammu and Kashmir, then Uttaranchal, then Himachal Pradesh, then Punjab, Haryana, parts of Rajasthan, then UP, then MP. These are the states where we are producing maximum. What we are producing only major areas we want to study, where we are producing wheat. The next one, what it is, that is the sugar cane. In the textbook it is map not given, so we will mark in another paper, and we will read first, then we will try to mark it. Okay, first one it is the sugar producing states. We can see page number 40, right side, first paragraph, ending part we can see the major sugar cane producing states are UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Okay, we will see that one, how we will mark it. Here S indicates sugar cane. Okay, S means sugar cane, and first one it is coming UP, that is the first number, UP. Second one it is coming sugar cane, that is coming with Maharashtra, it is having the second rank, and Karnataka it is third rank. Karnataka with third rank, and Tamil Nadu with fourth rank. Like that it is I will send this photo also. So then next one it is the we can see sugarcane again in Bihar, that is in 7th number. Then Bihar in 7th number, 6th number Telangana with the 6th number, and AP with the 5th number. That okay, once again first number it is UP, second number Maharashtra, third number Karnataka with sugarcane, fourth number Tamil Nadu with sugarcane, fifth number Andhra Pradesh with sugarcane, and Telangana sixth number, then Bihar seventh number. These are the major sugarcane producing states. Then two more states are there, they are producing but the area it is less, that's why we can see Punjab sugarcane 8th number, and Haryana that with 9th number. Okay, these 9 states they are producing maximum sugarcane. Other states little bit here and there we can see, but these states are producing sugarcane. Okay, then next one what it is, we can see the if you are okay, we can see next one tea producing states. Tea producing states where we can see that Assam is first number, Assam with first number and tea producing states. Then West Bengal with the second number. Then come to South India, we can see Tamil Nadu with the third number. Tamil Nadu tea and coffee, that is third number. Coffee also it is third number. Then comes Kerala, that is in fifth number. Then Karnataka, okay, the little bit we can see in Andhra and Telangana also little bit tea, but these 4 states you want to study, which are Assam, West Bengal, then Tamil Nadu and Kerala. These are the major tea producing states. Okay, tea producing states. Then next one, coffee producing states. Coffee producing, who is the first one? Coffee production, that is Karnataka first number, then Kerala second number, Tamil Nadu third number. I said already tea and coffee production, Tamil Nadu having the third rank. Other states we are not getting tea, coffee in other states, only here we can see. Okay, once again sugarcane UP, then Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Haryana, and so Punjab and Haryana. Then tea, Assam, West Bengal, then Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then coffee, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These are the major coffee producing states. And we are moving to next part. In this map we can see cotton, jute and rubber producing states. Cotton, jute and rubber producing states. First let us see rubber, that is the industrial raw material. So Kerala number 1 in rubber production, number 1. Then Tamil Nadu, that is second number in rubber production, and third number okay, then Meghalaya also producing rubber. Kerala number 1 in rubber, Tamil Nadu number 2, Karnataka number 3 and Meghalaya number 4. That is 4 states they are producing rubber maximum. And next one we can see rubber in Assam also different area, but these are the major producing states. Next one it is cotton. Cotton production first number it is in Maharashtra. Cotton first number in Maharashtra, second number in Gujarat. So we can see many cloth factories it is there in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Then third number it is MP, and fourth number it is coming Karnataka fourth number. Then fifth number in Andhra Pradesh, sixth number in Telangana, then seventh number that is Tamil Nadu. These are the 7 major cotton producing states. Cotton producing states, we are having 7 cotton producing states. Once again Maharashtra number 1. Okay, let me take different color ink, then you can understand. Okay, Maharashtra number 1, Gujarat number 2, then Karnataka number 3, MP number 4, then Andhra Pradesh number 5, Telangana 6, Tamil Nadu 7. These are the 7 major cotton producing states. Next one it is jute production. Jute production we can see major two states we are having, that is Bihar and what we can say, West Bengal and Bihar. So West Bengal, that is number 1. Then we can see number 2, that is in Bihar. Then number 3, that is in Meghalaya. Then number 4 in Orissa. These are the 4 major jute producing states. 4 major wheat producing states, 4 rubber producing states, 7 cotton producing states. Okay, once again, how many states we are producing jute? West Bengal, Orissa, then Bihar, Orissa and Meghalaya we are producing jute. Then rubber, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Meghalaya. Then cotton, we are producing Maharashtra, Gujarat, then Karnataka, then Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and MP. And Haryana and Punjab also producing cotton, but UP like that very less, but they are also having the cotton production, but it is very less in number. Why it is this area we are producing maximum in this area? Because of Deccan Trap that we already studied. Okay, then you want to draw Indian map, that is we want to make 8 maps today. How many maps you want to make? 8 maps, and each product you can draw in 1 by 1 map. Wheat in 1 map, rice in 1 map, like that you want to make it. Okay, thank you.